Watch your friends, what you keep. Watch your friends, where you keep. Watch your friends, where you keep. Some of them are liars, some are thief. What's up, speak my mind, people? I tell you, I tell you about human being. Human being, the species of human being. Not a nice set of people, them. Not even a shadow of a trust. I preach this tune every day. And as the days unfold, day by day, in the years and the years to come, you know, we understand what I mean when I say don't trust not even a shadow. Sometimes when I go in on a shadow, I fall on a stop a little bit and watch it. You know, mind to take all a stone and stone it. Yeah, man. To make sure all is well. These people are too covetous, too envious, man. Boy, I tell you, I feel wonder what really are going. Speak my mind, people. You don't know what to do. I never want to go in and do. Just like, share and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up and remember to watch the video. Remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. People, may I tell you, these people are something else. Curly, come here, man. Come here. They will come in at the toilet. Just stay right at the door. Right now, you come like you don't fit for going to the toilet. So come right at the door, Curly. Let me stay through the window on the next side and talk to you. Because I don't want you close to me. Because you're too deaf, man. You don't prove every day to yourself and people say your heart not born clean. A good thing said, we can't blame God. To make all people like you, Curly, heart not born clean. Me hear you do a video, a 2 video me hear you do. And me hear one after the next one. And I decide to do this one before me do the one I hear first. And I want to tell you the video I recently released with Larry the Lizard. Upon your platform, you go see it. And you're up in the comment section and go on with yourself. Because I hear a video I play. And I decide to say, you're going with some things in the video where me not see it necessary. You understand? Because right now, are you unleash and glitz and glams at it? So I don't see why Dana name should be at the forefront. But I don't know what you are trying to do. I don't know if a relevancy you seek. And even realize you should be yourself down further in a hole where business and everything is concerned. Them saying as me tell you, bird of a feather flock together. It come like everything I rub off on tea girl upon you. Because honestly, you wasn't like this, We know you never know good somebody, but you wasn't like this. You deteriorate. Yes, you're deteriorating. You're coming like a body will stay upon ice too long. Don't have tranquility or madness. You're deteriorating, man. The closest of you and tea girl make you deteriorate. Because all the way you're saying that them are 2 videos, yeah, you don't need to come out and say this. Right now, you and Dana are not talkings. You understand? Dana not showing no shades at you now. Even when she show shades, she not showing none at you now. For weeks now. So why Dana name at the forefront? Why not Leisha? Why not Glitz and Glam with you and her and things? Why not Leisha would send a big breakfast come give you a morning? That you could even eat it off. And true, you couldn't eat it off. You never know, say, Leisha dish out some, send go get tea girl. You end up saying you eat and left carry go get tea girl. You understand? People, no sir, them things that make me a puzzle me I know. This a puzzle me now. People, let's get into the video. As I say, a 2 video me have to do, with that same woman here. I want to get the video them back to back. Because these videos are, I don't become tired of why I post the Larry the Lizard, video before, because I have a video where I get off of the same Larry the Lizard page where I see upon Marcia page, I go find it, but Larry the Lizard did it on her live and I play back Curly video and brought me attention to the video. So I say, alright, let me go over to her page, go find the full video instead of them talking at the video. And then I get a separate video for them which is me shit and whatsoever. So, me could get into the video because Curly, me can't understand you at all. Me can't understand you. And you are saying you know, carry down people business and all them something there. So how you come on phone? You come on phone, come talk all kind of crap. When you not look support and you not look this and you not look that. And in few minutes after, few minutes later, you show up on yourself. Look how much years now Dana no bake. From Christmas, I mean, Dana no bake. And I go here and add now Dana no bake pudding. And from Christmas she done bake cake, she no bake again. So how Dana cake and everything coming at this now? How she figure in at this? Tell me, how Dana figure in at this now? People, I could start from here, son. One, which way I could start from? Too Curly realized that the gala is not what she expected. I got turn out to what she expected. She start play it down and play it off like it's a low-key event. It's not an event that she's expecting to garner any great funds from. Me I go hire me now. Me I go rent one big old land. Put it this way, can hold 5,000 somebody. When me just keep a low-key event where me just want my dream and my hopes come true. So if even 40 somebody come, me alright. From we can party and enjoy ourselves. And you go rent a land for 5,000 somebody. When you could have rented a smaller land for the intention of what you have and what you want. You can't come tell no sensible people that. You're going to rent big land because you don't expect big support, but you say not coming in. So now you try downplay it and downsize it, don't scale it, make it look like okay, you're okay with even. You have 12 on the ship, the cruise ship, so now if you get even 24 or 36, you're okay. No, you're not okay. You can't spend so much money for carrying entertainers according to you. Rent land and keep big old gala and not expecting some form of profit from it. You're okay with no profit. Not even your money where you spend, you might not get back. Not tell nobody that. But let's start from here, people.
It's dress. I could have 10 people
outdoor,
in
breeze
there.
or blow, remember. Listen up.
Listen to me, Diane. Please don't mention about that girl to me, please. She can't talk good about me. Me a beg you, please. God know you irritate me. I mean, you come over here, come support me. Me a beg you, do not type up no more about her. What she say? You understand me? Me a beg you do. Me don't want.
I start the video a little bit too early, but let's get it on.
Me no care what she want say. Me can testify that Tina Chin product tastes better than the woman I had. Me can tell her that. I mean I start with water in my mouth.
When you listen to come on, you know how this figure in all the equation we are going from week. How this figure in, you know, tell me, help me in the comment section.
Me can tell you straight up without water in my mouth, I mean I lie. Tina bake better than the woman I had. Tina cake pudding is 100% better than the woman I had. I mean, I talk with water in my mouth. When you're eating Tina cake, you're tasting a real pudding. You're not tasting a whole heap of nutmeg, you're not tasting a whole heap of spice, and it don't give me no heartburn or constipation. And it's just simple, straight fact. Every time when me buy that woman, the time when I buy the woman pudding I yard, me get pure constipation. Me can't hardly go to the bathroom. And that is the God Almighty truth. We come out and I talk, so the cake was good. It was just because me and I was a good acquaintance since I was being a hypocrite.
You see why I say, you know, for trust people, especially these people who come alongside you talk about friends, worse than you and them not grow and bond to you and them not bond and grow together, as would I say. You don't trust them set of people here, man. Where you don't know from nowhere. You don't grow up with them, so you don't know what them will do from what them own do. You get to know people like this, you keep them at a distance. You hear the woman say a while ago? The woman said, just because she and I was acquaintance, she just play a hypocrite and tell her that the cake tastes good. Because tea girl won't taste better. And when she eat it, it makes you constipate. So how many times you eat this cake so to make you constipate? You have to eat it 5-6 times to find out. Because if you eat it one time and you constipate and say probably you don't know if it cause it or one, you try it a second time. But it sounds like you eat it 3, 4, 5 times. For what reason? If it's something where make you constipate or your stomach burn you and make you feel sick, why eat it? And at the same time, you cannot eat something one time and start eat at the cost of what happens. You understand? But you're still speaking like as if you eat it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. But me I say, oh, this figure in all the way I go on from week. Oh, then a name get in and cake and taste in a cake. Let's continue anyway.
I had to throw away half of the pudding. Because I say every time I eat it, it gives me constipation. I don't know what she have in it. The only thing it does smell good. I never seen a pudding smell so good like Fear One. When you open the fridge, it smells up the whole house, the fridge. The spices are so strong in that cake, in the pudding. May I tell you, whatever spice you put in it and mix it, it smells so good. But it wasn't, when I eat it, it gives me pure heartburn. And that's got up every minute line. And this is not about bringing nobody business. I'm just telling you, anybody want to support Tina Chin and I eat another girl.
What you mean this is not about bringing nobody business down? Then what you do? Whether you do it direct or indirect, whichever way you want to put it right now. It is clear exactly what you're doing. And to me right now, it come like it just a grass off a straw. This never look like you look no relevancy. This look like, you know, when a man out the road a drown and anything him see me like grab off of it, all a straw, yeah. Because this factor in all we are going from with today is Friday. And it's must be Tuesday or Wednesday. You get a big breakfast in your phone. Where you never eat at the breakfast where you can't name you have to send some go give Tina Chin. Because you couldn't name after the breakfast you get in your phone. You understand? And with all of that I go on. No cake, no involved. AD no involved. So you tell me now, all of a sudden come today Friday. AD and cake and cake taste and what cake do you. When you find out the cake do you that? Eh? How long now you find out the cake? I can't yesterday. I can't this week. I can't last month. I can't even this year. And what? We in the 7th month of the year. But you just come out today and say all this. You understand? You and Dana not seeing eye to eye for over but year and a half now. Probably soon 2 years. And you just come out with this and I go come tell the public say you're not here to carry on anybody's business. Despite Dana not bake right now, but what you trying to do? Is either you try to twist Tina Chin, you try to pump Tina Chin because she bake your cake for your party. I don't know what to say. But something just not right here, so. Because I don't see a cake factor here, so. Probably you just give Tina Chin a pump up now because you want that strong defense with you. So you go at people, Tina Chin will help you to go at them. One way or the other. So you pump her up.
Yeah, when you're Sophia from Brooklyn. Sophia cake, even black cake tastes better than Tina Chin cake. I mean, I tell you straight up. Everybody, I'm giving you the honest opinion. Sophia black cake tastes better than Tina Chin. The Sophia black cake is like...
You know, me I wonder, because you throw shades from Tina from what you know. You have been throwing a couple shades, you know, where when people sit down and analyze the whole thing, Tina, you don't throw shades from, you know. So me I wonder if it's a shades you throw, you saw. And at the same time, you just draw in Dana name in it. Then you come in, you know one girl named Sophie. And your sister them. And your cousin them can bake better than Tina Chin. But you just have a pump Dana name in it to kind of shield the shades. To make it look like you try to get a point across. But what I'm saying here now, if you know say your cousin and your sister them, and Sophie can bake better than Tina Chin, why you never make them bake? A tree somebody that you say, you know, your sister them. So call even one sister you say them. And your cousin. And Sophie that is three somebody. And so you talk more because you say sister them can bake so much Why you give Tina your gala cake for bake then? Why you never make one of them bake it? In the video, me, you say your sister says she not have no time because she working. Is it a profession for Sophie that she couldn't take the job? Your cousin is also working? Come, make the people them know now, we can know what I want. Because if them can bake better than Tina and bake better than Dana and whatsoever, why not make one of them bake your cake? Me I try figure it out. From me hear the video, me I try figure it out and me can't figure it out. Because me not see, me I try put one side of one to see me get 11, not 2, but me still can't see it. Because if you name 3 somebody who can bake better than Tina China, you make Tina China bake your cake. Something is wrong. Sometimes when I really left people for wonder, you know, but sensible people don't even have to wonder or think too much, you know. We just see say, who is just some baboon. You know? Who is just some baboon. One night time here come out and you say, oh Tina cake one, look at this, look more this, look more that, look more Tara, look more Wara. And you almost praise AD one over fear one. But no, because you and AD have a fallout and you and Tina kind of lick heads, birds of a feather, flock together. You're in defense now of Tina. You understand? Me I tell you, me telling about human beings, you know, my people. Me telling you, Sometimes when you go in on the yard, when you go home, hours and night, when you know, say, when you can't see the shadow, sometimes when you walk with all one piece of rope. When you watch them cowboy show there, where they make the slippery knot. Yeah man, sometimes walk with one piece of rope and try cast all in the shadow. And try cast on the shadow, man. Do we want to be skeptic of people and the surrounding? Because them is too devil. It not take nothing. For somebody where you treat like your own picnic or family or treat even more than your own family sometimes. Sometimes you would give them all your last and you're left without. It not take them nothing sometimes to turn them back on you and talk all kind of things. Some things where you don't expect, say boy, them would have even utter out of them mouth whether you and them attack or not. But just to try to bring you down, they will do anything at all. All when you not looking or going in that direction where them is concerned. You understand? And sometimes them forgot say you know even more than what them know about you. But you're not going into that direction.
What you guys are talking about on social media and raving about. She need a lot of improvement. Maybe like when she get some new stuff now and whatever she learn or whatever it is.
You were one of them who raving too. But you come out for belly out for say boy, you were just being hypocritical because you are our acquaintance. So you was just giving a promotion. I see where you promote fake and false things where you have a sell too. Because if you are going to come out, if you going to come out and be hypocritical for somebody who you are acquainted to and mislead the public, mislead your supporters, who would you would have encouraged to go and support her. You're nobody to be trusted. And if you're a supporter, them now learn from you day by day, something wrong. Because if you play hypocritical and lead your supporters to go and buy pudding or cake, whatsoever, that constipates you, that burn your stomach, and you encourage them by telling a lie, by playing hypocrite, because you're the person acquainted, me can't trust you. You're coming like the one that says should have pity in a cake. And this is the same way how you mislead people in what you have at sell. But what? The people them done buy it already when it ship off to them and them pay them done buy it already. And some of them probably don't want to show you, but some of them soon come to the same as what you are doing yes or no. Genuinely. Not by what you call it now, because you're choosing a side that you want to bring down the woman business and bring down the woman because you look help on your side. It comes out because you realize that everybody is going at you, so you need assistance. So because of that, now you run down over Lorraine, you run down with T-Girl, and you run everywhere. Just like how you did run with Dwayne one at a time. You understand? Because that's all the reason why you did run with Dwayne, you know. Because Dwayne was going against 99 at the time. You understand? But it's not like say they really into Dwayne like that. It's just all that because Dwayne was going at 99. If me if turn against 99 tomorrow, man, which you will never see that. You understand? You want to run in me too. Because I saw the whole honesty. Anybody want to find out fall out with 99, want to pick friend with them. Not to mention if you know say probably have people when I used to talk close or talk on phone or whatsoever. A sound a pick with them. It's good thing this woman don't lavish on phone and talk certain things. One can't carry that. That me love with her. That's the only thing me love with her. You know. People have problem with it or overprotectiveness of herself. A lot of you guys and people out there have problem with it, but you have to just understand. Even you seeing people who sound a plankers, flunker, whether not genuine, non-genuine, whether not China, or not New Zealand, or not Taiwan, or made in Jamaica. You have to understand the woman have to be protective of herself. And sometimes she can be too overprotective, and then sometimes it bring off a little, it bring off a little thing. Pan you, we might say is a planker, but you have to just understand. And then the little naysayers them sit down and say, see, it's how them cheat, you know. I'm not cheating just because the woman is overprotective. And just as me I say, you know that sit down and ray, me see one little dirty wingless one. She there doing a video. What she doing is going our community as anything said or nobody say nothing bad about AD or anything bad going about AD based on what them call bad. Because people are always try to say things bad about AD where that goes or not go so. She run out on our community and she write up this and she write up that. You understand? Why did she write up? Oh, yes, I be a woman who have strength for. I could say if we not run out now because the wisdom must over there. I do him thing and I talk up him things. Alright? The wisdom not a man that me read unless me a browse and buck him up and thing and whatsoever. You don't know sometimes caption and them things they grab you. So you will stop and you listen and whatsoever. You understand? You can't tell me there's a whole heap of people away from the whiz. We're talking things about that when me now look on whether man or woman. Look how long Maxine in the phone and from me do the video and talk about 3-4 months now and say this woman is having a breakdown, having a meltdown in her phone. Somebody need to talk to her and get her out of phone and make she give phone a break. Because it was obviously coming. And as I said, I don't know who it is if it finally happen now or she playing a game to find out who is who or who is with her or who is against her. But if I'll tell you this about 2-3 months ago into a video. And I see her over there, the wingless one. She go on with herself. Only if you buck up the whiz now. I done she and some whole heap others. Who are you? I don't want you to call up my name and look out where woman, where and done her. Me not see you right up there comment and come back out. Come say, Lord God him shame me. Lord God him do me this. You know, she'll come back in your comment, come right up. But to you now get no looking. You just feel like say people, when you write those things, people will come out at you. My bros and I see them. But he's nobody. He's way below Marcy and T-Girl and the whole of them Lorraine. So to show you how far you the wingless girl. Because if you can be there below Marcy, T-Girl and Lorraine and Michelle Bracha and Babisha them. To show you how low you is. So my radar now pick up you. My satellite now see you. Because you're the way below the radar. You will come out now like how the man come out and tell us him no why you call him name because he's a setter and he's an instigator. Just like how you take the tree, keep them and buy them and whatsoever. Come out now in your community and now me not see you from that, you know. Yeah man, me not see you from that. But anyway people, back to the deal.
It may be. Me have friends who bought her something. Me have friends who in a Connecticut here who bought it just to try it and them throw it away.
You can know when these people are telling lies. If you just observe these people, you know when they are telling lies. T-Girl when she are telling lie, she quickly eye them and she stop and she come up with the word think about what she gonna say. That one when she are telling lie them she stop and she count the word and she depend. You can't tell a story whether the story is true story or a false story. And the story is a true story then, put it this way. And you come out and and this is why most people go to jail. Because when them go so boom and them give a statement, when the time come for them give back that statement, it'll be a box shuffle and different thing them give, you know. Because when the statement for them give, it was lie, it wasn't real, it was fabricated. And they're not a good liar, so them can't tell lie consistently. And remember what them say, and just know say, if it take 10 years, you come back and ask me the same question about this, or the same thing you're going to get. So them have to come and box shuffle and stop and think what next to say. I see this, but Connecticut. Why now you just attack all of this? I'm more than a year and I know your auntie and not dealings. And all the eat things and the whole heap of money we claim to say the woman over so and the woman come out against you. Why you never talk all these things? Why now? Because what? You're looking Tina Chin to come closer to you, and you're looking Lorraine and her friend them to come as an allied closer to you, because you realize that everything's just about you now, and it's nobody casting it. Everybody come out and talk about, Lord, don't just depend on the woman, so Lord, the woman no, give the woman a break, this, that, her. If she not give phone and give people a break, how she going to get a break? But as I said to her, I said, this is a way of making money because you're getting content. So just continue the way you are, if you feel pleased in yourself and feel good in yourself. So when the blogger them come out and the tagger them and the sagger them come out at you, and me as a YouTuber come out at you, you will have content, so you will make money. Me notice your views them gone up from what day. Who you think do that? You think of your name Curly TT? You think of Kakai? You think of Marcia? You think of whosoever you call yourself? Just big deal, just split justice? No. We make your views gone up. We make your numbers gone up. Cause look how long you're a big deal. And you don't have them type of views there. But all of us sudden, because of your whole foolishness you're going with, yes. And we come out and talk about it, yes. And this is why the people them so almost go no relevancy, because you know look views and stuff. But social media is all about views. I mean, now gonna make you come out, come chat foolishness, and two, me don't want to gain no views and no relevancy. You chat foolishness and I feel like say something and me don't say it. I got talk. Social media is all about views. So people out there talk about not give them the relevancy, we have to answer them. Because if we don't answer them, don't fix them, don't put them in them place, don't come show them up and make them see where them are go wrong and make people see where them lie and where them are go wrong, they're going to continue and it's going to look bad. Because people easy to believe what they hear. So if we allow them to just come and talk without anybody come and show them up, dissect and analyze what they are saying and carry evidence and proof come, you, the same people who are saying don't give them relevancy, might just believe in what them are say. Because guess what the main reason now? The person them are talk about now come answer them. But guess what? We have proven evidence in videos and past things that happen, so we can come out, come talk. Because AD not going to come out, come talk. So we can allow them to feel like all is well.
You understand? New York City, I don't name them. I aim out a restaurant where me buy. Cause me a woman, you know, I mean love to go to a restaurant to buy food. Don't talk about black cake. I've tasted so many black cake and I'm letting you know from all different people. And I'm telling you, even my sister at Pennsylvania, wicked pancake.
You have so much people who you give high regards to and thumbs up in baking cakes. Your sister, your cousin, and one girl named Sophie. And you take your cake, give to Tina Chin. Who you come on your life and said, all of those three people cake taste better than Tina Chin. Them can bake better than Tina Chin. And Auntie Dana, this now you talk about, you know. Because you can't compare them to Auntie Dana. And Tina, you compare them to. So why give Tina Chin your cake for bake? All three are busy, so. And basically, oh, you talk Sophie or Sophia, whatever the girl name. Now, they all rare in England. Seems to me baking is her profession. So why you never give her the cake to bake? You gotta say true, she can't ice the cake. She could have baked the cake same way. And you get somebody different ice need. Because the ice need is not the taste of the cake. So at the cake you want to taste good. So once she can bake the cake, you can't get somebody decorate the cake. She not have to decorate it, but make she bake the cake. The cake how you want, you know, because the quality you want. So simple. So you don't have no excuse. You just love come chat and chat big and play like on a hype and this. Just to bring down people. And when people bring on you down on a ball and cry, I water. All piss bleed out on your eye. Nose not and bugu come out on your nose. Frat come out on your mouth. And you go and kind of smart when you not bring down other people.
And my sister them teach her and tell her. Like them just tell her what to do. Like she said how much measurement and she just do her thing. I love my cake like a whole time cake, Jamaican cake. Whole heap of fruits. You know, I like it moist and soft. As something like a Jamaican wedding cake. If you have to put extra something in it, you have to pay for more extra. But I like my cake soft and nice. Like an old fashioned Jamaican cake. That's because I think I want, and I know if I would like my old fashioned icing on it with taste flavorful with liquor rum. I have to call Tina and tell Tina to bake it like a Jamaican cake.
So what me want to know, after how long you order a cake, you never know what you want from day one? I just know what you want. Stress will kill you, man. Stress will beat you bad. Stress will beat you. After the gala, whatever money you make, go take one nice relaxing vacation. We're not even phone you go on. You can take probably 2 little video clip, but not post nothing until you come off a vacation. So nobody will hear and see nothing and then come talk and draw you out. Because you're easy to draw out, you know. You're coming like a shoes lace with pull. Easy to draw out. Yeah. So when you go on that little relaxing vacation, just go relax your nerves. And take your pressure pill them and, you know, re-energize yourself and come back. Yeah, man, you need a rest, man. Because why you know you want call Tina to tell her where you want and how you want the cake? You should do that long time. Suppose the woman bake the cake, say Monday week gone, because next week are your thing. I should bake it already today. Or you forgot call her and tell her that now. What should I do with it? What me the cake and show what you want tonight? Yeah, tell her about you now.
Between a pudding or a toto. You couldn't tell in some cake if it was a pudding or a toto or a bowl of cake or whatever. I mean, that's how it was. And I mean, I put more behind me. I'm telling you, I tasted Tina cake at Royal Wilkin Park. And it was very, very good. And I tasted her pudding. I bought a pudding. And I cut it while I was walking. A supporter asked me if they can have peace. I cut it and give to her and me slide.
Hey, may I tell you when liar give away? You used to say when things are give away, people at the back of the line, at the front of the line and get it. At the wrong way when you have it. At the wrong way when you have it, here. You see she and the rest of them, when liar give away them, they're at the back of the line. So you say all the way left over, them get it. Remember now, you know, if you run one boat, you know, as a youth or as a girl pitney or whatsoever, you know, you can't thing and you run a little boat and you cook. Remember, you know, you're skeptic when you just start sharing, you know. You put one dumpling in each plate to make sure everybody get. And you try to even up and equal the food for everybody get in them plate. When the leftover left now, you find that somebody else go and get broader. Well, at them this. Them at the back of the line, so when liar issue out, all the way left over them get it. You hear the woman though? She says she eat the cake and somebody beg her, or somebody go see you. Because you know, states are somebody will know you. And why you just eat a piece of cake and somebody just come and beg you on a piece of cake? Because I know I never want one big old slice of cake you have. No. I never want big old slice of cake you have where people will feel like you can't eat half and them one piece. One little piece of cake now and you go pass through somewhere so much people there and somebody go pick out you special. After T girl says she sell off, why are you special? Somebody stop and a big piece of your cake and you take piece girl or give him. And them say, wow, hey, you know, dangerous. May I tell you no?
This piece Mister, me leave it at Queens in the fridge. And me forget all about it. Me order one from her. Me see her with the coconut soup one, and it looks so nice and something. And me say, me call, me text her by WhatsApp and me say,
When you just listen to how she count the words, you know. She are not fluent in what she are saying because she are lying. Bits and pieces what she has say might go so, but she's lying. She's not fluent on a listener.
they sell me. And she said, them done. She said, order too late. You have to wait until next week because I was just trying and it finished. Everybody accused me. He said, no, you can't, girl a yard. You cannot bake like Tina. You cannot bake like Tina. And I'm serious, you cannot bake like Tina. You cannot. The only thing I realize, you cannot bake like, you cannot bake like Tina. You cannot. You cannot bake.
And when you find out that, when you know that, I'm still ask again, oh, 99 figure in all the way you talk about now. From week, is breakfast in a phone for you come, Leisha, glitz and glam, this, that, taranat. Oh, AD name called in this whole week I think we are going. I share the week friends. You know go and get a surprise, you see. You know wait man. You know go and get a surprise. Yeah man, you know I go get a surprise.
Like Tina. And Tina cannot bake like my sister, Pauline. And my niece Althea, Jamaica.
I just say, you know, I wonder if I just Tina you want to tell something but you figure that not in to make it look like you just make a general statement and just a split justice as you say. Yeah man, me just wonder because some things where you say from what day, you know, even about the whole surgery thing where you go and like you talk about Leisha. It's like you're throwing shades to half a Tina, but why you don't do it still? But knowing you cannot be tame. You coming like some wild hog can't tame. Yeah man, you're like some wild hog can't tame. So anything is possible from you. You understand? Anything man.
Having even if just walking into a nice, beautiful setting.
Listen to the
even
woman,
if it was 12 of us that came on the cruise ship.
Into she and rent big
and
land.
as long as
our gala is just about making building, money. It's just about herself.
Walking in there in some beautiful gown. I'm satisfied.
Goal.
This is not about crowd.
If it's not about crowd, we never rent a venue we can hold 150 or 30 somebody. Why rent a whole stadium?
Money. I am not making no money off of my thing. This is about my dream and my aspiration. Yeah, this is not about crowd. This is about people coming out and show me gratitude in a way. Like say Marcia, we appreciate you.
People, you see which part this makes sense? It's not about crowd. But you rent the Staple Arena. When you could have go rent a little land, which costs you far less to accommodate the crowd, the few people where you want and I expect to come. Since it's not about crowd. It's not about money. So why spending so much money? And if it's not about money, then you should just keep it and keep it free. And you're keeping it and charging so much. And it's not about money. When you can't fool people, it just now go the way or you expect it to go. So you have to start pretty up things from now before the day come and it exposing social media. So you pretty it up so it won't be nothing to you. That's how you want to make it look now, you know. It's not going to be nothing to you. Any it turn out. I'm happy. It's just about my dream come true, my 50th dream.
And 1 little milliseconds, me pull my shorts down and stuff the pillow in my shorts because them say a man say my belly big. So me I put me extra. But don't compare me as somebody who go bend over and take them hand and stretch out them something. Don't compare me.
I want to know, you know, Curly. All Christmas you talk about this, you know. I want big breakfast you get, you know, one of the best breakfast you ever get up and eat. Yeah man, so come Christmas when you eat the ham and the turkey This your breakfast is supposed to flash in your mind back.
My butt no look so. My butt is tight. My butt no open up like a tunnel. It tight and shut close without nothing insert.
So how you know that, Curly? How you know your butt shut tight and close? Huh? Wait, you bend over in front of the glass and look? Cause me no want think what me I think, you know. Me no really want think what me I think. Tell you the truth. So make me know clear if a glass you bend over and look. Make you know your butt not deep and your butt not this and your butt not that.
Right.
Cause be a
That make you
self-praise,
look
a
one damage.
self-praise.
I wanted to expose out of social media.
Everything about your body. Everything about your body. Your self-praise. Yes, you have to believe in yourself. But not how you come and self-praise yourself or when you have not been asked about anything. You understand? You just self-praise, self-praise, self-praise. So what? All of them the man the way you take, none of them can praise you. Make the public see her here. Why all of your man them have to hide so? Eh? None of your man them can come forward. And say, boy, yes man, say, oh, and spank you all 2 times on your ass. You know? Put all the man around your neck so. Yeah, and just and squeeze up the chubby something but you always a shake up. You have to always come and self-praise yourself. Them say it's no recommendation. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up. And remember to watch the ads. Please remember to subscribe to the backup channel. Link in the description and pin in the comment section. Come to the end of another video. You will get another Marcia video back to back, because that Marcia video that is going to post after this video should be posted before the Larry the Lizard and this video. Because this is another video to show you how hey, me never want to tell you no. To show you how BADMIND them your people is. And this one you're going like she is not. Just a bring it out, bring it out, bring it out. Because it's all about another Dana. And for the whole week, Dana in the equation. From week Alicia in the equation. T-Girl, Marcia. So where Dana come from all of a sudden? That you do back-to-back video Curly just a call the woman name. Till this last video you carried on the woman product. After how much years you name it. I should have snore poison, it has snore poison, you know. I shouldn't constipate it, make you constipate and your stomach burn you. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching, you know. I'm out. Sunday, I will release the next video. Alright, my people. So when you see this video, on Saturday, so Sunday, you will see the next one. Thanks for watching again.